first hint of rain, a sliver of gray in the clouds, I'd be under a chair. The lightning would flash and the thunder would crash, and I'd cry at the sight of it all, curled up in a ball neath the wall of the curliest hair. And I'd stay there for hours, so afraid of the anger I saw in the sky, till my Connie would come and dry up all the rain that I'd cry. She'd say, don't be afraid of the power of life. Open your eyes to its wonder, just as your heart should be open to joy, so it must let in the thunder. Sun that you long for is hidden from view, and only the shadows remain. But that's when you see the true beauty of life, when you learn how to welcome the rain. Time passes on, I'm no longer a child, and I've learned a thing or two. I've learned there are wounds that a parent cannot kiss away. And though I find I still like to hide, I have learned that that lesson is true. If pain comes with love, then the pain is a small price to pay. We all put up umbrellas to protect us from torrents of feelings that pour. But shouldn't we remind ourselves what feelings are for? Oh, don't be afraid of the power of life. Marvel as heavens reveal it. Untie the ribbon and open the gift. Thanks, stormy stars, you can feel it. Open your ears to the music of life, while there's time to repeat the refrain. If you yearn to embrace all the beauty in life, you must learn how to welcome the rain. Bring on the hurricanes, let the winds blow. I'll match the wind's roar for roar. Life's not about being safe, staying dry. Life's about begging for more. Oh, don't be afraid of the power of life. Open your eyes to its wonder, just as your heart should be open to joy, so it must let in the thunder. Sun that you long for is hidden from view, and only the shadows remain. But that's when you see the true beauty of life, when you learn how to welcome the rain. If you yearn to embrace all the beauty in life, you must learn how to welcome the I know that's true. I know it is. But I just don't want any of it right now. I just want it all to go away. I don't want to feel it. I'll just go through life and I'll stop feeling anything, everything. God, it would be so easy. I just won't care. In fact, I don't care about anything. So, Arrested Development Season 3 has finally come out on DVD. So, macaroni and cheese for dinner. So, the sun is out, it's raining, a new puppy, new music, trip to the scrapbook store, listening to people yell, going to the gynecologist, being told that I don't matter to someone who matters so much to me. He doesn't matter to me. Who's he? I don't love him. I don't even hate him. I just don't care.